Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Crayola Art Sets is probably one of the most exciting and versatile gifts you can give to a young artist, offering a kaleidoscope of colors and creative possibilities that encourage imagination and skill development in girls aged 7 to 12, making it an ideal choice for sparking artistic passion and providing hours of engaging, screen-free fun as they explore their creativity through drawing, coloring, and crafting. Number 5. Crayola Inspiration Art Case Coloring Set. Discover the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a 140-piece art kit designed for young creators. It's packed with everything they need to bring their imagination to life. Inside this durable, space-themed case, you'll find 64 crayons, 40 washable markers, 20 colored pencils, and drawing sheets. It's a complete art studio on the go. Explore a world of bold and bright colors perfect for school projects, crafts, or just everyday drawing fun. Let creativity flow with every stroke. This portable art case is ideal for travel, featuring compartments and secure latches. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Designed for beginners and young artists aged 5 and up, all the supplies are safe and non-toxic. It's a worry-free way to encourage artistic exploration. Make this Easter extra special with this colorful art set. It's the perfect addition to any Easter basket, bringing creative fun all year long. What we like? This set is packed with 140 art supplies, featuring a cool space theme. It comes in a durable, portable case with a handle, perfect for on-the-go creativity. If you have a child who loves space and needs a comprehensive art kit that they can easily take anywhere, this is the one. What people say. The set has a great variety of crayons, markers, and pencils, keeping him busy and creative for hours. The case is easy for little hands to open and keeps everything organized. It comes with a great variety of supplies, markers, crayons, colored pencils, and paper, giving kids plenty of options to get creative. Number 4. Crayola Inspiration Art Case Coloring Set, Tie-Dye. Introducing the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a vibrant 140-piece art set designed for young creators. It's packed with everything they need to bring their imagination to life. Take the fun anywhere with this durable and compact tie-dye art case. Its sturdy design is perfect for travel, ensuring creativity is always within reach. This versatile set includes washable markers, colored pencils, crayons, and paper. It's ideal for school projects, home crafts, or simply exploring artistic expression. Discover a spectrum of colors, from bold and bright to gentle pastels. Watch their artwork pop with a stunning array of hues. Everything stays neat and tidy with built-in trays and compartments. It's easy for kids to find exactly what they need to start creating. This art case makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's an Easter basket essential that brings joy and creativity all year round. What we like? This 140-piece art kit boasts a vibrant tie-dye case that kids will love. It's designed to be a portable art studio, keeping supplies organized and accessible. If your child enjoys trendy designs and needs a self-contained art set for travel or home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. In this unique box, there are a ton of supplies that can easily encourage children to do anything artistic. I love that it held so many items and had a variety from small point markers to big markers to crayons and color pencils. There are so many different color schemes and options whether you'd like to stick to crayons or markers. Guaranteed, the color you want they have. I love that there is a designated place for each item, just so that the child doesn't lose anything. The set comes packed with 140 pieces, 64 crayons, 20 short colored pencils, 40 washable markers, including super tips and pipsqueaks, and 15 large sheets of drawing paper. Everything fits neatly into a sturdy, portable case with snap-fit trays and a strong handle, so supplies stay organized and are easy to grab for travel, playdates, or road trips. The built-in compartments keep all the colors in place even after being carried around by energetic kids. The crayons and markers are classic Crayola quality, smooth, vibrant, and easy for little hands to use. The mini-colored pencils and pipsqueak markers are smaller than standard, which means they may run out faster, but they're still perfect for younger kids. Number 3. GirlZone Scented Marker Set. Unleash your creativity with our vibrant marker set. Packed with 38 colors and delightful fruity scents, art time becomes a colorful adventure. Enjoy worry-free art sessions thanks to the washable ink. These markers are perfect for travel, ensuring fun on the go without the cleanup hassle. Designed for ages 4 and up, these markers transform any drawing into a masterpiece. They are perfect for sparking creativity in young artists. A must-have for school projects and home crafts, these add a fun twist to art supplies. They encourage both creativity and learning. Looking for a gift? This marker set is a fantastic choice for birthdays or holidays. Inspire them to express themselves with color and fruity scents. What we like? This set features 38 fruit-scented markers in a rainbow of colors, making art time a sensory adventure. The washable ink ensures mess-free fun, and it comes in a convenient travel case. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-clean art option for younger children or for travel, these scented markers are a fantastic pick. What people say? She has literally used them every day for months now and takes them with her everywhere she goes. They smell great, have great color and assorted size markers. The little compartments with zippers and the fact that it just rolls up easily and sticks itself closed with Velcro if wonderful. The markers are great quality and she has so much fun smelling the scents as she colors. The markers smell great and are of great quality, and the carry case is well made and has enough space. Ideal for school, leisure, or creative crafting sessions. Number 2. Weirtoya 56 PCS Washable Scented Markers with Glitter Pencil Case. Discover a vibrant world of color and creativity with this amazing art set. It's packed with everything a young artist needs to bring their imagination to life. This comprehensive set includes a variety of markers, crayons, stickers, and even a coloring book. With 56 accessories in total, the creative possibilities are endless. Designed with a charming unicorn theme, this set comes in a convenient glitter pencil case. It features multiple compartments to keep supplies organized and a handy carry handle for on-the-go fun. Looking for the ideal gift for a special girl? This art set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's sure to create a wow moment for any unicorn lover. Encourage your child's imagination and creativity with a wide array of colorful tools. This set is also great for fostering friendships through collaborative art projects. Enjoy worry-free creativity. All the markers are washable, safe to use, and come with delightful fruity scents. They are perfect for drawing, coloring, and doodling. What we like? This 56-piece set offers a magical unicorn and mermaid theme, including washable scented markers, twistable crayons, stickers, and stamps. It comes in a multi-compartment tote bag for easy organization and travel. If you have a child who adores unicorns and mermaids and enjoys a variety of art tools with a fun scent, this kit is sure to delight. What people say? Smooth ink flow and bright colors make coloring and drawing enjoyable. Excellent. 56 colors give lots of options without feeling repetitive. The vibrant colors are perfect for sparking their creativity, and the variety of shades allows them to bring their imagination to life on paper. Number 1. SpringFlower Unicorn Arts and Crafts Painting Kit. Discover the magic of creativity with this enchanting unicorn painting kit. It's designed to spark imagination and bring colorful dreams to life. This all-in-one set includes everything your child needs to paint their own unicorn. With multiple colors, brushes, and glitter, the possibilities are endless. More than just fun, this activity promotes hand-eye coordination and stimulates creativity. It's a hands-on way to learn about colors and develop fine motor skills. Make any occasion special with this delightful craft. It's ideal for unicorn parties, art projects, or as a unique birthday or holiday gift for girls aged 3 to 8. Craft with confidence. The paints are non-toxic, safe for children, and easy to clean up, ensuring a mess-free creative experience. We stand by the quality of our product, ensuring it meets safety standards. Enjoy peace of mind with our commitment to customer satisfaction. What we like? This is a unique painting kit that includes 8 adorable unicorn figures for kids to decorate. It comes with paints, brushes, glitter glue, and a palette, offering hours of hands-on creative fun. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys a more hands-on, tactile art project like painting, this set is perfect for sparking their imagination and fine motor skills. What people say? My daughter loves painting these. They are great quality and decent sized. It comes with 8 cute unicorns to paint, and 2 small tubes of glitter, paint brushes, and several little containers of paint. We did it as a family and it was enough pieces to go around. The paint and unicorns were really fun. Easy to use and set up. Definitely enjoyed this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.